Drill is called the Red Sea, and this drill is meant to replace our crush move whenever we have a power jam in our favor. And the reason we're making this change is that um, the honeys are really good at anticipating that crush and responding to it. So we're going to change it up a little bit and see how it goes. And we'll do that with this play called the Red Sea. So one important thing to note about this play is that you can use it during a power jam. You could also use it very quickly if the opposing red jammer has just gotten out of the pack. The other thing to note is that you want our jammer to be just a little bit behind the pack. And if possible, it would be great if this jammer could communicate when they want this play to run. So let's say we have our jammer coming up and they're like, oh, Red Sea, which is saying, hey, please do the thing. At the same time, we're set up in a 1-3 just like we would be normally. And what we're going to do is have these first two people, the pivot and the number 1, come up and take out numbers 2 and 3 on the honeys team or the red team. So the pivot will move first to take out the brace. Number 1 will move to take out the first butt that's closer to the outside line. And then 2 and 3 are left to move upward and take out these folks. In the meantime, our jammer's coming up, and they're just going to run straight up through the middle, and then they're going to be out doing all the magical things that they do as jammers. So again, the idea is that we kind of have this 1-2 punch where, if you'll remember, the pivot was lined up on one side. We had our trio, or whatever skaters lined up on one side. We have our trio in a line over here on the opposing side. And then we have the pivot moving to take out the brace. We have another person from the opposite side moving to take out one of the butts. And then we have 2 and 3 coming up to take care of the other 2 players so that our jammer can squish right around and go up the middle.